unboxing of what is up, guys. Here's a unboxing of a Chicharito jersey from DHGATE. Let me get some scissors. Let's go. Jerseys. Wow. Here's the first one, the home kit. Very nice. Premier League patch. West Ham. Very nice. Out of your way. Wow. Very nice. West Ham, Umbro, that way. Good quality. Hopefully they don't peel. Oh, great. They are stretchy. Some fakes, some non-authentics don't have that. Chicharito. Looking good. Looks good. Looks good. 17. Authentic. Official. Premier League patch. Another Premier League patch. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment which jerseys you want us to buy next.